Because she come on the night and she come through the night. Come through the night and she come with the night. Come with the night and she come during the night. Come through the night and she come Friday night. Girl, when you come to do, you come to kill me with it. Not run funny, not run funny. Girl, not run funny, not run funny. Me say she come on the night and she come give me. All where you do, me say me not run funny. She come through.
You swear it's a peanut dread video, don't? Nah, sir. It's a Bawdacat video. And this is the video where Bawdacat and his friend them a cuss over Vybzkartel and Andrew, who is the most famous. But not only that, the man them a say Cartel can't come a foreign. It's for Cartel they know. Anyways, me not gonna talk about it. We gonna watch it and laugh.
Yo, Dancehall one them highlight like you reggae one them, brother. You reggae artists them bigger.
Because never fight them dancehall.
Delegate is good challenge play. It has to come with the artist play. And it come with a football play. It come with a cricket. It come with
remember, white people them a show you yourself in name. White people them show them yourself in name. After everything show up on that.
Question go with Cartel night. And test go with Ali night.
That we are talking straight the argument.
Remember you can't tell me say no.
Adi be knowing my Andrew wellness, and that me say. And that me say. I never Andrew was the Prime Minister. That me tell you now, me not take back my talk.
You're walking for your come out of belly. You're walking for your come out of belly, man. You're full of blood clots.
Cartel be knowing more Andrew wellness.
No.
I'm a better when you're morning.
You're mad.
You're full of fuck.
Wait do I?
No, where you tell me say no? I want to tell me say Cartel be knowing one blood.
Then that me say.
You're mad.
Who know Andrew?
When top people.
Then
when
top people them not talk. When top people them not society people know Andrew. A society people alone know Andrew. Me and you know Andrew.
I mean.
A society people know Andrew. Every blood clot get a know Adi.
No.
Every getter. Which getter when I know Adi? Which getter when I know Adi?
First of all, Adi never used to go nowhere.
But watch all you do.
Adi are the 14
Adi got the 14 blood clot parish.
You can't left in community more and subtle.
Yo, top chat. Adi got the 14 blood clot parish. Stop chat.
Under this guy.
Under which this guy is for sure.
One of the sweetest conversation this may ever hear. Listen to the man them argue. I know say rum involved too, you know. But anyways, this was pre-Vybzkartel being released, pre-Vybzkartel getting a visa. Bawdacat say Gaza. Bawdacat say Adi and Daddy. You see, you man defending Daddy? I tell you foreign now. Boss get back in visa and a tour America. So, but it's a fun video. I mean, this videos, you know, let's watch it and laugh because you never know what the future holds. Moralized story. Rum talk. Humble crap walk.
From blood clot show, the 14 blood clot parish one time at each parish.
When you see that?
When I did that run road.
You see that?
I mean, every blood clot parish, every parish me go, I mean a quarter big like that. And me get bookings at every pussy clot parish at Jamaica. And had me a quarter for each today.
Andrew going 40.
You have some place at Adi can't.
Andrew not going for blood clot now.
Adi going 14.
14 parish in Jamaica.
You see Andrew.
have some place
Andrew.
Me never say community better, me say parish. What stop Cartel from God the 14 parish? What stop him? What stop him?
In this man don't understand can.
This your bomber clot mad. Artist go anywhere, brother. Watch all you know. Watch all you know. No bomber.
He last and don't call him down a Tivoli no go.
The man not just now blood clot go. How much time him go? How much time him go down there?
Something named Jam Rock or something. Tambourine. Can't go down there.
Allah you tell. Can't go away. You want we go find tape with him down there?
2009 when...
You want we find tape now with him down there, perform? You want bet that?
Certain place here go brother.
Now tell me now where Cartel can't go brother for perform.
You know some of the feel no talking no. Can you say Cartel big and blood clot and Joe? Me not finna talking from day one.
The man be knowing more.
You just a free lungs.
You're a madman.
Yes, they are mad somebody.
Sense, man.
You not free lungs in the cat. Yo. That's how you
I'm
talk.
going to society people, I'm not enjoying it.
Yo, right.
So the question is, who is bigger? Andrew or no? Most honorable Andrew Holiness or Vybzkartel? Let me know who in the comment section.
We have to wait your fuck. We have to when Andrew gone now one place up. And boy going in. We have blood clot.
What cause that?
Come on, big. Can't do that pussy hole in there.
What you say? What you say? What? I entertain, I get the best blood clot like that.
Your phone a blood clot. Oh, how much man this in a cat?
Why Andrew have a booking flight like every blood clot body. He have a booking flight like everybody.
Chunchi.
If him not take special jet. If him not take special jet.
Yeah, a special jet.
But it have to be.
Adi can't do that.
He now go where Prime Minister go.
Adi can't do that.
He can't go where Prime Minister go.
Adi a fly near side
Don't
of
believe
pilot.
that.
No, you're
Believe that.
first
He
class.
can't go where Prime Minister go.
No, Cat, well, Cat, here what? If a man say, Adi can't go where Prime Minister go, you wouldn't believe him on that.
Yeah, in
Because he not go in the House of Parliament.
In a sense.
So,
In a sense.
you understand?
But unlike say he can't go, but him not go where Prime Minister go.
Oi, you know
Prime Minister go foreign and go meet some bigots, go with some conference. Cartel go foreign, go to state show.
No. Yes,
More blood clot people did
yes,
that.
blood clot and Prime
More
Minister
people
go
did
to
that.
the airport. A different place and go. You see, where they call them blood clots up there.
Yo, Chonchi, when the Prime Minister go foreign,
Well, answer this. Answer this what I'm saying. Answer this what Cat say. Answer this what Cat say. Outer Prime Minister or Adi go foreign.
Millions. Who watch him?
Who see him? Who see?
Where are they go?
No, listen now. Just listen what man say now.
Not on show.
Where?
I want to know, man.
Yeah, he used to travel before then take one visa.
Before what?
Charlie never used to
Where are they get big and they can't go nowhere? Shut the fuck up. We're not telling that. Man, boy, yeah, man.
Brother, Adi used to travel that. Yeah, Adi used to travel.
Where?
Adi never go to America.
Me no know about that.
Then you have to
Me
know
no
things,
about
man.
that,
You have to
Then
know
have
things,
the
man.
blood clot, no.
He used to travel.
Oh, Adi go foreign. The last time when Adi go foreign, a bomb bucket, video them off video them from yard.
And what you know about, brother?
You know much years now,
That's
Adi
the way
can't
you know
travel
about.
go foreign.
So what about when he
When Adi big and take over Jamaica, Adi not travel, Adi can't go foreign. Adi not no visa.
Listen to me, the last time I did go foreign, I video call. Well, I did there foreign now. I live in Florida or wherever I'm on tour. But Bawdacat per usual makes some very good points. Yes, the Prime Minister is obviously more powerful, have more reach than Vybzkartel. But in terms of popularity, I would give it to Vybzkartel because as Bawdacat said, when Prime Minister Andrew Holiness goes overseas, he might meet with other dignitaries. Yeah, who is seeing him? Dignitaries from other countries. When Vybzkartel come overseas, the other day he was at Madison Square Garden 2 nights in a row. To fill out Madison Square Garden, I think it's 25,000 people. That means that 50,000 people see Adi for one show. If Andrew visit the US now, how many persons gonna see him? You get it? Yeah, so Bawdacat makes some good point. What's the next man? In my conversation or something else, man. If you take them a conversation serious and I say, man, I'm a cuss over, man, or something wrong with you, just laugh, man. Just enjoy the thing, man. Yeah, man. And if you enjoy it, like it, share it, subscribe, click the notification bell, and leave a comment. Who is the bigger, more famous, more powerful person? Andrew, most honorable Andrew Holiness, or Sir Vybzkartel? And as always, stay safe. God bless.